guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video. So in today's video I figured I would share with you guys some ideas for YouTube videos, because I feel like when I first started YouTube I was having so much trouble. No one told me that I had to have a list of video ideas first, which would make things so much easier, because you really don't want to have to go day by day trying to figure out, well, what am I going to film tomorrow and what am I going to film the day after that. It's going to cause you to have gaps in between and you want to try to avoid that. So I figured I would share with you guys some ideas for if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel. That way you have a few ideas that can help you get started. Before we get into today's video, if you're not subscribed to your girl's channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell, which will give you an alert every time I post a new video, so you don't miss any of your girl's uploads. So if you're interested in these ideas that I am about to share with you guys, then keep watching. Hey guys, so I wrote down my ideas here. I literally wrote down 10. I know there's so many ideas out there, but those are the only 10 that came to my head in reference to some that I've done and some that I haven't done. So I'm just gonna go through it one by one with you guys, and yeah, we're gonna get through this video. First video is haul videos, as in like makeup, clothing, whatever. A haul is basically, you know, a bunch of items that you either show or you show and try on at the same time. You can do it for a lot of different things, like I said, makeup, clothing, shoes, whatever you're into. I'm pretty sure you can do a book haul. I'm pretty sure you practically anything. Those are really good. Those are one of my favorite videos to do, because I feel like a lot of people want to purchase certain things but they prefer to see someone else do it and try the product out, and it's super fun. You get to open new products, see how they work, all of that good stuff. Number 2 is mukbangs. I am like dying to try those. I haven't done those as yet. I feel like I'm a little too shy for that, like to actually have people see me eating. But I mean, if you're an outgoing person and you're not as shy as me, then you know a mukbang will probably work for you. For those of you guys who don't know what a mukbang is, it's basically when you eat food in a video. Yeah, that's the really only way I can describe it. It's a little different from the ASMRs. The ASMRs focus more on the sounds of food, or you know, of whatever's going on. It doesn't have to be food, but whatever's going on in the video. But the mukbang is basically just, you can do like a McDonald's mukbang where you buy McDonald's, sit down, you could do a chit chat, you could do a get to know me, you know, you can have like a little conversation. Some people, they just focus on the food, and some people they eat and they talk. Whatever you prefer, whatever your preference is. Number 3, review videos. You can review makeup, hair, I don't know, there's a lot of things that you can review. Any product that you could possibly buy, try out, let people know what you think of it. That would be considered a review. So that's also a favorite of mine. I like to buy eyeshadow palettes, try them out, see how the consistency of it is, do a makeup look, let people know my thoughts, all of that. Number 4 is routine videos, skincare, wash day, makeup, what I eat in a day, etc. Videos like that. It's basically just you showing people your routine of whatever it is, how you wake up in the morning, how I work out, my workout routine, what I eat in a day, come to work with me, my work routine, how I get to work, whatever the case may be. That would be considered a routine video, so you would definitely can get into that. Those are very nice. So if you're someone who kind of is all into that routine stuff, I feel like my life is a little chaotic at times. I don't really keep a set schedule. I'm in the process of trying to like have and maintain a schedule for my day-to-day. So if you're someone who's like super organized and has everything all figured out, then this video would be great for you to show other people how you go about, you know, your daily routine. Number 5, I have challenge videos, as in workouts, diets, I've been dying to try a Chloe Ting workout because I see everybody trying those out, and I've seen some people with really good results. But yeah, you can definitely try out, do a challenge video where you challenge yourself to do a 2-week workout by following someone's workout routine, or you want to try out a diet, whether it's a squat challenge or whatever the case may be. It's just something that you're challenging yourself to do, but you're basically documenting your the process as you go along with your results. That's a really good video to do. Vlogs, number 6. That's actually one of my favorite. I love vlogging. I just love going about my normal day and at the same time showing people what I'm getting into, what I'm doing, what's around me, and I feel like it kind of ties into your personality as well. People get to see an in-depth part of you and how you are as a person, and it really doesn't take much. You just really can use your phone. You have your phone with you all the time anyway, so you might as well. The only difference is you kind of recording yourself for throughout the day, but it takes a little while to get used to. I've been doing vlogs for a while now, and I still feel like there's times where I'm not used to it, but it's a super simple thing to do. You can literally have a vlog channel of you just vlogging your day-to-day, like everything you do on a day-to-day. So that's super cool. Number 7, prank videos. I'm dying to prank my husband, and I don't know, it just has to be good. Whatever it is, it has to be good, because I feel like he's just gonna know, and it's just gonna defeat the whole purpose. But prank videos are really cool if you feel like you want to prank your boyfriend, you want to prank your girlfriend, you want to prank your mom, or whatever the case may be. Prank videos are really fun. Just know that when you do start pranking people, they may just prank back, so you better be ready for whatever's gonna come after that. Number 8, how-to videos. How to do makeup, DIYs, cooking, how to, I don't know, prevent your clothes from wrinkling, how to make linguine from scratch, how to make cheesecake, those kind of videos. Videos like that, where you're basically showing someone how to do something, that would be considered a how-to video. Number 9, reaction video. You can basically react to practically anything. You can do movies, you can do music, you can do other people's videos. You can react to other people's videos, other people doing makeup, other people cooking, other people's mukbangs, whatever the case may be. You can react to it and you can make that into videos. So if you have like this very weird sense of humor and you're funny and people like to hear your side on different things, or people want to know your opinion, or what do you think about this video, what do you think about that, would be a great video for you to do. Story times. Your girl just did a story time on her channel of my crazy neighbor. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'm gonna link it up top for you guys to see. But basically it's just a story time of you telling a story of something that's happened in your life. It could be a good experience, bad experience, crazy experience, weird experience, I want to forget and I wish it never happened experience. Whatever it is, you can basically do a story time about that and share with people. I feel like that's another big one that kind of shows your personality and allows people to kind of see the real you. Like for me, I do makeup all the time, so I'm always like strictly into the makeup, doing the eye looks, doing my foundation, all of that. So I kind of like to dib and dab into other little, you know, videos on my channel, so that way my personality comes out, because I feel like it doesn't really come out as much when dealing with the makeup. So story times are actually really nice. I just did my first one, it did really well, and now even though I don't have a lot of things that have happened to me like out of the ordinary or crazy, you know, in my life, I still feel like I have 1 or 2 story times up my sleeve. So I'm definitely gonna be doing one of those videos again. So guys, those are my 10 YouTube video ideas that you can do if you're looking, or if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, or if you're stuck and you can't come up with any ideas as far as videos. I would say definitely start with any one of these 10. I've done mostly all of those, mostly all of them. 1 or 2 I still haven't touched, but yeah, these are very cool videos. I feel like these are not hard videos to start off with, because a lot of them don't require you to spend money, which I know when you're first starting out you don't want to spend no coin, because I didn't want to spend no coin. Sometimes I still don't want to spend no coin, but you guys love makeup, and makeup is expensive, and a lot of times I have to either buy a new palette, or I have to buy these new products that came out and try them out, you know. So a lot of these you really don't need any kind of money to do them. I mean, you're gonna be like, for example, the mukbangs, for example, you're gonna most likely go to McDonald's anyway. You know you're gonna go to McDonald's anyway, so might as well order you some McDonald's, come home, eat your McDonald's, you know, while talking to your audience, you know, finding out how their day was, whatever the case may be. But yeah guys, these are really good ideas to start off with. I'm pretty sure you could look up on YouTube. There's gonna be a lot of videos giving you ideas on what you could try out with. Your girl just wanted to give you the 10 that I thought would be very helpful, you know, if you're going through creative block and you're not sure what to do. These will definitely give you some good ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed what your girl had to share today in today's video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the notification bell. Follow your girl on Instagram, crystal_greer. I also have my Twitter. Everything's in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.